Adam Issacson here with your Crawford Tech Tip of the Day. This tech tip is for tank type water heaters. Tank type water heater, as the name implies, is a large tank with water in it and a flame underneath that produces the hot water for the home. Unlike a tankless that holds no water, this type of water heater holds the water, heats it up, and is available when you need the hot water. So cold water comes in on the right hand side, goes down into the tank vessel. Gas on the bottom heats it up. As the hot water heats up, or the water heats up, it rises to the top and is pulled out to the home. There's a couple simple care, safety, and maintenance issues with a tank type water heater similar to a furnace. You want to keep any type of combustibles, gas, solvents away from the water heater. Keep the water heater space clean. That can affect its combustion efficiency. Also keep any debris off the top of the water heater. Maintenance is pretty simple on a tank type water heater. There's a hose connection on the bottom. Simply once a year hook a hose up to it, run it to a floor drain, turn it on, let it run for about 10-15 minutes. That'll flush any debris that's built up in the water heater, which helps its recovery time for heating hot water. Some things to look for in a water heater. Typical tank type water heaters last anywhere from 8 to 12 years. So things to look for is if you're running out of hot water sooner than you used to, it could be a sign that it's starting to age. If your hot water is cooler or hotter than normal or fluctuates throughout the day. Obviously if water's leaking out of it, that's a broken water heater. Another big indication, if you hear any popping and gurgling in a tank type water heater, means that sediment has built up on the bottom of it, which causes that cold water that's trying to heat up to get stuck down there. It actually boils and pops for a second. That's bad. That's a sign that your water heater is due for replacement. Flushing a water heater annually will protect it from building up that sediment. If you do notice water on the floor, two simple steps is one is go to the inlet on the cold side on the valve, turn that off. That'll stop the water from coming out of the water heater. And then also go to the bottom and there will be a dial, so it'll say on or off. Turn it to off and then call Crawford and we'll replace that water heater.